Welcome back, stock market traders. I hope you all had a big green P&L today. What a market, huh? Every day seems like you don't know what to expect. I mean, you always expect the unexpected, but you know what I mean. Crazy market. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Looking at the daily chart, and you can see today's action. Gapped up, quick retracement, and quickly push higher through levels, big heavy levels of resistance, moving averages. It was just very impressive, very bullish day. It's now trading between moving averages, so I expect a lot of volatility. Very choppy, unless it gaps up tomorrow above that level here, above the 10-day moving averages, above above the 10-day moving average, and can push higher. But I really doubt we're gonna have another big day tomorrow. That's my guess. Tomorrow, I expect the S&P 500 to be trading between these two levels, 4,600 and around 4,670, which will be a war zone. I'm just going to be a spectator for tomorrow. And if the Bulls win, then I will join them. And we should see new all-time high soon. If the Bears win and we dip below this level, I will be a spectator and do nothing. Let's now zoom into the 5-minute chart and look at the price action for today. Big gap up, try to push higher, quick retracement, which lasted about an hour, and they just kept going up all day long, all day long. Very, very strong day, very bullish day. Let's now take a look at the Nasdaq 100. Very similar behavior or price action to the S&P 500, gapped higher. This one had a bigger retracement early in the morning, bounced, and they just kept going up all day long. This one didn't push above all the moving averages, but it was able to manage and climb above the 50-day moving average and the 5-day moving average, and now is just sitting close between moving averages and big resistance and support. So for tomorrow, I will not be surprised if we end up trading around this zone, which I would consider that to be a war zone between bulls and bears. I still have my position. However, I'm not planning on adding any more until we push above this level, 16,100. And if we dip below this level, then I will probably tighten my stop loss. But that really depends on the real-time price action. But I expect very choppy action, very choppy price action between these moving averages. Let's now zoom into the 5-minute chart and look at the price action. Gapped up, quickly sold off. It was very steep. I thought so this is the level I was watching. We came close to it, bounced, and they just kept going up all day long with no minor with a minor pullback at the end of the day, closing near the day's high, which it was very bullish action. I really wanted to increase my position size, but I expected something like this to trade around this area and then push higher and then find another entry point higher. But the gaps make it difficult for me to find good entry points. Let's now take a look at the Philly Semiconductor Index. Very similar price action. Now is trading around these moving averages. If you can trade around this area for the next couple of days, you can quickly make new all-time highs. Russell 2000 still in a very deep downtrend.